The car on the roof is a Citroen SM, or Siri Maserati, and if you look at it, undeniably it still looks like it's from the future. My name is Lance McCormack, and for my day job I'm a traditional panel beater.
I'm Merlin McCormack. I run a classic car and supercar dealership in West London called Duke of London, and this is Rodney. I remember we were in Ireland and we ended up on this, Inch Beach.
Inch Beach,
yeah. In an old Volvo Amazon estate, and he taught us to drive. So that was...
As horses raced past, we slept in it overnight.
That was pretty special.
They were safe, yeah.
When I passed my test, I had an Alpha 147, which I adored. It was a silly sort of blacked out thing, but I had a lot of fun in it. Actually got 3 points on the first day of being insured on it. That was pretty
Excellent.
Good. Yeah.
I tell my trainees that, if they make a mistake, I said, do you think I never made a mistake? And you get good by making mistakes, but hopefully not the same ones. The painting over here is called Welded Bliss, and it shows myself with my favourite planishing hammer and my torch, and the mannequin whose leg used to fall off in the workshop. They used to say that it looked like my then girlfriend at the time, who had both legs.
Cars have given our family a complete... I think it's one of the few things that we all 100% agree on. Yeah. It's a unison that I don't think any other material object or hobby could have probably provided us. We all help each other out with them, we all share them, we all enjoy them, and it's brought us together over the years and hopefully continues to for many more.